Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, this is one of the easiest colorways that I've been wanting to do for a really long time. This colorway is Brazil on an Air Force One. And if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, you know the drill. First off is to take the shoelaces. Second would be to get your nail polish remover, cotton pads or cotton balls, and go over everything to remove the factory top coat. So from a little bit of a satin finish, it's going to go to matte, and we'll paint it off using green and yellow Angelus acrylic paint. Well, obviously this is an old AF1 that I have, and I'm just sick of it being just a regular triple white. So we're gonna do Brazil on it. We'll be painting the toe box yellow, the side panel, the back, the heel tab, as well as this one down here. I don't know what you call that. And we're just gonna do the same exact thing on the other pair. Now for this one, I did 2 coats. We'll see if I would need to do 3, because what we have here is more of a like a canary yellow, not like a gold yellow that I actually wanted, but that'll do. And I'm just letting this dry. I'm gonna go to this pair now, and as always, do short, quick strokes. Don't like blob it off with a whole lot of paint. Just do really thin ones. Let it dry for at least 15 minutes and then do it again. First in, first out. See how fast that is? Since we started in here, we're gonna be ending in here, okay? Now off to the side panel. And that's it. Now, once this is all dried up, we're gonna go start again from the toe box, side, back, side again, and do it again if you want another layer of it. There you go. I just finished 2 layers for both of these pairs. Did the tongue as well, don't forget that. You can definitely switch up the colors and if you'd like, or the colors on the panels if you'd like. I'm just gonna color this green, and the rest of it, except for the midsole, we're gonna leave it white. And now we're gonna go with the color green. So there we go, one layer done. Don't worry if it's too patchy. I know it's super patchy right now, but we're gonna do 2 or 3 layers for the green one, and the yellow one I'm gonna go over that as well later on, and that's gonna be done. Don't you worry, okay? So I'm just gonna do the same exact thing. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I'm gonna go to the other side and go ahead as well and do the other pair. All right, so I'm done with this. I did 4 coats of yellow and 5 coats of green. Now, I did do the strip yellow, did it twice. And with this, you can just use the end of your brush, a cutter, like the ends of your cutter, a toothpick, a ball pen, regardless if that ball pen is working or not, you can definitely use that, or you can use a brush, whichever you're comfortable with. And just did green here twice as well. Now it's all shiny and I don't like that. But before we mattify that, I am gonna be using a white Angelus paint to repaint the midsole and just, you know, correct any mistakes that I've done right at the edges, and that's it. Now I'm gonna start off from the back, going to the front on one side of the shoe first, and then go to the other side. Make sure to go through each and every one of the ridges in here and take a look at it at all angles if all the indents are painted. Now I'm just gonna go outside and spray the whole shoe, both pairs of course, with VHT wheel paint and matte clear as a top coat, and as well as to mattify the paint that we have right here. Just make sure that it's all dried up before you put in your top coat. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mav. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.